नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद. Respected elders, dear teachers, beloved brothers and sisters. Today is not just a day. Today is a feeling of sacrifice, freedom, courage and hope. Today the sky is tricolor and the air smells of sacrifice. August 15 is the day when the chains of slavery were broken, when the land of India breathed freely after 200 years of operation. This land is soaked with the blood of martyrs. This soil has witnessed mothers sacrificing their sons. This nation was built not just with bricks, but with duas, tears and courage. My friends, freedom was not given to us in a gift box. It was earned by those who smiled while walking to the gallows, by those who said, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, by those who kissed the nose and said, माँ तेरे आंचल के लिए मैं अपनी जान कुर्बान करता हूँ. Do you remember Ashfaqullah Khan who prayed even when bullets rained? Bhagat Singh who smiled while dying, Bismil Azimabadi who wrote the anthem of sacrifice, Maulana Azad Khan, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Rani Lakshmi Bai and countless others who didn't care about their own lives. They only cared about Indians' future. And now that future is our hands. What will we give to this country? Corruption, hatred, violence or education that lights the mind, unity that bends heart, peace that makes this land paradise again? Let's become the sons and daughters that India can be proud of. Let's live not just for ourselves but for India, for Islam, for humanity. Because as someone rightly say, अगर शहीदों का कर्ज चुकाना है तो कलम उठाओ, तालीम फैलाओ, इंसान बनो, इंसानियत बचाओ. In the end I shall just say, न पूछो ज़माने से क्या मेरी कहानी है, न पूछो ज़माने से क्या मेरी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान सिर्फ ये है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं. व आखिरु दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन, वस्सलामु अलैकुम.